Good afternoon, guys. So I've learned that a lot of people are having a problem in filling the forms and buying the forms for Ghana Armed Forces College of Nursing and Midwifery. That's formerly 37 NMT. So here is a short video on how you can buy the forms and fill it. Please read the requirements carefully. Now they run BS in nursing and they run BS in midwifery, and they do a top-up program as well. And please read the requirement carefully. For the regular student, now the cutoff point aggregate is aggregate 14, which if you don't meet it, the system will just reject you. You will not even be shortlisted. The system will just reject you. Yeah, so take note of it very, very carefully. Before you begin, save all the documents you upload PDF, except the passport picture, which you will save it as a JPEG, as a picture. Yeah, make sure it's not more than 1 megabyte. And make sure all the document is not more than 1 megabyte. Yes, so this is the document you need. Read it carefully and do so. So without wasting much time, this is how the process you follow through to buy the forms. Yeah, now it's a e-voucher. So this is how you can buy it. Formerly, you will go to CBG Bank to buy it, but now you buy it on your phone with your mobile money. So after you've initiated a transaction, you enter your PIN, and after you enter your PIN, they will send you the e-voucher code. So after you had an e-voucher code, just head straight to the link. That is the apply.gafcom.edu.gh/portal. Yeah, so first of all, you open the website and you enter your voucher code, your contact, and you select the course. That's the BSc, and the type of application you select. If you applying as a regular student, you select regular, and if you're applying for a top-up tool, you select it as well. And please note that for the regular student, the cutoff point is aggregate 14, and you should take note of that. So after you have entered everything, then you submit. So after submitting, bear in mind the contact you used for the application, you need the same contact, and they will send you an OTP verification. The number will come like this, then you enter in. Then after entering, you click on continue. So after you've successfully logged in, you will get a place where they will say fill your biodata. You upload your passport picture. After that, you continue to. So you enter in your surname, your first name, then your other names. You select your gender, your marital status, then you proceed to your date of birth. After proceeding to your date of birth, you enter in your phone number, and you upload a PDF copy of your birth certificate as well. So after that, you enter your digital address and your residential address. That's your house number. Yes. So after you are done entering that one too, then you go straight to select the languages you speak, and you select your national ID card too. Then you enter the ID card number. Straight after that, then you enter your email address. After that, you choose whether you are disabled or not. Then you click save to continue. Then it will load to another page. That's your educational background. After that pop-up has opened, then you enter your index number. You enter your index number in full. The one shows on your certificate. Then you enter your resource slip number. The resource slip number is the WASI certificate number. So I have attached a sample of that under it too. So this is it. Yeah. Don't forget to select the year of completion and enter in your year of completion. Then enter the course you did. You select the course you did. So after selecting the course, you upload the certificate. Yes, you upload a PDF copy of the certificate. Make sure the certificate is not more than 1 megabyte. The PDF. You enter the name of the SHS you went. Yes. So the next page, you select your best 6 WASI grades. So if you are applying as a top up, you can select your best 6 WASI grades. But if you are applying as a regular student, your best 6 should be up to aggregate 14. If it is not up to aggregate 14, immediately you submit the application, they will just reject you, by the way. That's it. So the next page is for top-up student. If you're applying as a top-up student, you will upload a copy of your NMTC results, a PDF which is not more than 1 megabyte, and you upload your transcript from your school, and you enter the institution you attended as well. So after you click on save to continue, they will let you preview the page, and you will go through all the things you did. You check whether everything is okay. Mind you, if you provide a false information, your application will be rejected. So go through the grades, check and see whether everything is correct. Then after you are done with that, you can go ahead and click the submit at the bottom. And when you submit, they will send you a message, an SMS, telling you application has been submitted. So they will review it and get back to you. Yes. Try to check everything, whether everything is okay before you submit it. Yes. Note that. Don't joke with that. Yeah, so this is the whole process in filling the forms. After watching this video, if you have you still have a problem in filling the forms, you can just comment below and we'll guide you in filling the forms. And don't forget to subscribe too. You subscribe, you like, you comment, and you share for other people to also benefit from the video. Thank you.